Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be testing out something I got for Christmas. It's like a 3D printing pen, and so you can draw. This is something my mom made, a heart and my name, Chris, so thank you. And she also made whatever this is, just doodling around I guess. So yeah, I swear guys, this is my first time doing this, so yeah, let's try it. So it's at right here it's hot and right here it's hotter because it's at 210 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees, wait, Fahrenheit? No, wait.
It's 210 degrees Celsius.
How much Fahrenheit?
A lot. Very hot.
Okay. Anyway, let's try. And the hottest I've been in is 104 degrees, so. Okay, how do you do, oh wait. See, it's not going. Wow, that is sick, honestly. Wow. It dries so fast.
What are you drawing?
I don't know. My soon-to-be merchant. This is melting it. That's my merch.
Congrats.
I'm kidding, it's not my merch. Is it hot? Ooh. That works too.
I put glitter in here.
It's a little
but it didn't
fishy.
get that.
Oh, it's a fish! Look at that, boys. All right.